Hello everybody, we are the Pen Bros, and today we will be reviewing the original Pilot G2, primarily focusing on the bold point.
This pen comes in 4 different sizes: ultrafine, extra fine, fine point, and bold.
This pen is retractable, refillable,
And comes in 27 different ink cartridges.
The G2 pen line was first introduced by Pilot in November of 2004. Since then, this pen has gained immense popularity and is also one of our personal favorites.
We will be ranking this pen based on 5 different color-coded factors: writing smoothness,
Clickiness,
tendency to smear,
price,
and grip factor. We will rate this pen out of 10 on each of these factors and take the average at the very end. Now we will go on to writing smoothness.
The Pilot G2 bold point writes very smoothly. The fine points are less smooth, but still nice. I'm writing the common pen testing sentence, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog," and as you can see, it is very natural and smooth. It's easy to use on a day-to-day basis as a result of this smoothness. Now we are going to test its up and down and horizontal durability. As you can see, it's writing smoothly. Now we're going to draw a face and see how it handles. It is very smooth.
Because of the great smooth writing style, it earned a solid 8 out of 10. Now we will move on to the rate clickiness. This pen feels like it requires more energy than it should. This pen's click is also rather squeaky when clicked slowly.
Because of the clickiness, the Pilot G2 earns a 6.5 out of 10. Now we will rate the smudge tendency. After 1 second, the Pilot G2 doesn't smudge that much. After 5 seconds, it doesn't smudge that much either. After 10 seconds, it doesn't smudge that much. And after 30 seconds, it barely smudges at all. The reason we are rating this a 5 out of 10 is because this pen can ruin a school project or notes after being worked on for hours because of the smudge, especially when it's on different types of paper.
Now we are on to price. This pen is cheaper than you'd expect based on its higher quality. For example, one pen only costs a total of $1.49, based in a 2-pack which would cost $2.98. The color pack that you've been seeing us use all video would cost a total of $6.77, whereas the bulk, which would add up to 72 pens, would cost a total of $150.08. For this reason, because of all the prices and how they don't fluctuate with bulk, we'd give it a solid 7 out of 10.
The reason we gave the price on the Pilot G2 line a 7 out of 10 is because it does not seem to fluctuate when you want to buy more pens. Now on to grip factor. The Pilot G2 line's grip is more defined on the fine point, 0.7 millimeters, than the bold point, 1 millimeter. Especially on a hot day with very perspirant hands, this pen can slip, causing to create unwanted markings that can create smudges and ruin a lot of work. That's why I wrote slippery when wet.
For this reason, we gave it a score of 5 out of 10. Solely because of how, when you're trying to write a consistent amount of time, it tends to slip, ruining your writing. On to the next part, where we gather up all the data and analysis to create the final total. Adding it up, it equals out to 31.5, which equates to 6.3 out of 10. This then is the reason why it is our great personal favorite pen.
We hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Tune in to the next video where we review the Bic round stick. Yippee!